Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Rachel Schwartz. I lead digital strategy and execution for all of our cooking products at GE Appliances. We're the first to introduce over-the-air updates, and that means that we have hundreds of thousands of ovens that are out there installed in people's homes that have been sold from 2014 on that are connected to Wi-Fi, and we're able to push new cooking modes and capabilities to those units. Our first big over-the-air update was introducing air fry to over 100,000 units out there. So those consumers woke up in the morning, saw a notification on their wall oven screen that says, "Congratulations, you now have air fry." And when they clicked on the screen, all of a sudden air fry showed up on that first screen there as a mode for them to use. When we introduce the new precision cooking modes every few months, we have a notification that goes on the screen and on consumers' apps to point them to where they can learn about those modes. And as you see, if we click on precision cooking here, we have a whole host of different types of food here. The recent one that we introduced was under meats. We introduced a steakhouse mode, and when you click steak, using the probe, we can reverse sear a model of steak, and it makes delicious steak in the oven. As I pointed out, we have dozens of different precision cooking modes, but a lot of times consumers don't know the modes or think to use the modes. So if we take a food that we have a precision cooking mode for, and we put it in an oven with a camera model in it, then when I close the oven, the camera will recognize what that food is, and as you can see here on the screen, it says, looks like pizza. Would you like to try pizza mode for perfectly delicious results? We're finding that a quarter of our consumers are using on a weekly basis their phones as a remote control to be able to preheat their oven on their way home from work, or be able to use their camera to look at their food to see when they need to go back to their oven.